Today we will learn how to remove FAUX bold style from text and use convert to shape in Photoshop. Let's fix it. Go to menu bar. Click on the window. Click on the character. You can see that the FAUX bold option is enabled. Simply click on the text bold option and disable it. Okay, try again now. Again, click right button on the text layer. Then click on convert to shape. Now see that our text has been converted to shape. Now let's change the text color. Go to the toolbar. Click on the rectangle tool. Then click on the fill color. Now change the text color. Thanks for watching the video.